Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preventing data loss and ensuring access. Back up critical files now, because changes to system partitions can fail. Once done, reboot using Shift plus Restart or run msconfig and choose Safe Mode with networking so drivers and network access are available. Make sure to suspend BitLocker or any disk encryption first. Encrypted volumes often block installer tasks and produce the cannot complete error. This gets you into a minimal, controlled environment where troubleshooting is effective and reversible. Now you diagnose what blocks installation. Run chkdsk/f against C to repair file system errors, because corrupted sectors commonly stop setup. Next, remove or roll back problematic drivers and install the latest chipset and storage drivers. Updated drivers allow installers to access hardware cleanly. Then, use msconfig to disable non-Microsoft services and third-party startup items, so background software cannot interfere. Once you reboot into a clean safe mode, attempt the installation steps again to see if the error clears. Finish by running the Windows installer as administrator from safe mode with networking. Watch progress and collect setupair. Log and CBS. Log for diagnostics. If the install still cannot complete, restore your backup and try again using a clean boot or perform the install from Windows pre-installation environment to bypass the existing OS. Make sure to read the error codes in setupair. Log, those codes tell you why setup aborts and point to targeted fixes like missing drivers or corrupt files. Use that log first when troubleshooting further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.